It was a Bible story, as it is known as the Bible story. This part of the story is common for three religions: Jewish, Christianity, and Islam. And the first man who was chosen by God was Abraham. Abraham's first wife's name was Sarah. Second wife's name was Hagar. Both had sons. First one, Sarah's son was known as Isaac, and Hagar's son Ismail. And by the name of Ismail, the second religion, Islam, formed. Really, it was not Islam, it was only Arab tribe was formed. Later on only, it became Islam or Muslims like that. Name reached later on, after thousands of years. So these many part we have discussed. Again, we come back to Abraham's house. After the first incident, who all are there? Abraham, wife Sarah, and son Isaac. They continued their life, and they were very happy to continue their life there. There was no disturbance. Father, mother, and son. And he was very rich. Who was? Abraham was very rich. That time, richness means not the amount of currency or bank deposit. What was that? Number of animals. And even land also was not at all considered as property, because free land available everywhere. So there was no cost. Only animals, number of animals. That also, we don't consider that animals means only cow, buffalo, sheep. Almost all type of domestic animals, donkeys, horses, varieties of horses, sheep, varieties of sheep, goats, cows, buffaloes, like that, varieties of animals. They kept all, and a particular 50 to 100 animals, one or two servants, like that, large number of servants. This all were under Abraham. And the next successor for, or a next owner for this old property becomes Isaac. Isaac becomes the person. Isaac reached old age, means not at that age of early ages. He was not interested to marry. That means he married very late. His wife named Rebecca. He married Rebecca. Rebecca was his wife. Whose wife? Isaac's wife. Then Isaac had two sons. The first one was Esau, second one was Jacob. This is given in your book, Jacob. Esau and Jacob. Both the boys grow. Esau, 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 double S singular, Esau, Esau. Esau and Jacob. Jacob is already given in your book. When these boys, both boys, grow and reach at almost young age, means about 16 years old. The father, name of their father, Isaac. Isaac was very old and he was not able to continue his normal healthy life. He was bedridden. He was on his bed. When he was such a condition, these boys turned to their own interest. Esau was interested in hunting, so he often went out from his house for hunting. Many days he spent out of his house and come back after many days. Again he went out for another hunting. Like that hunting expedition he continued. So his relationship with his mother was very less. Means not enough time to talk to mother and spend time with her mother, with his mother. But Jacob was entirely different. His most of his time he spent with his mother. So there was a close relationship with the mother and Jacob. And mother's major happiness was making varieties of food. You, Astor, call him. Get up. Come here. Take your book and come. Come fast. I don't have enough time to take it. Stand here. Stand here and look at her. Listen. Then Jacob was always with his mother, and mother's major happiness was to make varieties of food for Jacob. One day, mother prepared a different type of sweet dish for Jacob. Jacob received it and took it to the friend door, and there was 2 3 steps. There are 2 3 steps there. On the step, he was sitting and enjoying the food. During that time, Esau came to his house and he was very hungry. He asked the share of the sweet dish. Jacob says that it will not be given to you. It is made for me and I will have. Then Esau told, I am the elder son in the family. I have a certain rights. Because elder son having where certain rights after parents. The young children should obey elder one. I am the elder one and you have to obey me. Then Jacob told, if you are ready to surrender your younger son's right, all the rights of an younger son, what all rights are there, if you give me, I am ready to give the share of the sweet dish. Esau was very hungry, so he thought that what is the use of this, the use of the right of a elder son. He told, okay, I am ready to give you. You give me sweet dish. Then they took another plate and divided into 2 halves. One half given to Esau and both of them enjoyed the food. After that, both of them forgot this matter. Many years again passed. One day, Isaac, he was already bedridden and he was blind also. Not by birth, because of the old age. After a certain limit of age, some people may become deaf, some people may become blind. Like that it happened because of over age. So he called his elder son. Who is the elder son? Esau called him close to him and told that my The time here on earth is going to end. So I am going to die. Before my death, I want to make you my successor, and the last blessings I want to give you. Before that, you have to do one thing. You know my taste, my interest. So you have to prepare some non-veg food, tasty food for me and make me happy. After that, I want to give you the blessings and to make you my successor. They listen to it very carefully. After that, his interest is in hunting. So he planned that he has to go to the nearby forest and hunt any particular animal according to the taste of his father and prepare the food out of the animal which he is going to hunt. Like that, he made the plan and took the weapons and went out for hunting. His mother, who was his mother? Rebecca. Rebecca was listening to it. He was in the nearby room and she listened to it, everything. She thought that the special blessings and rights should be given to Jacob. So she called Jacob and told that I am going to make a plan. You have to cooperate with me. Then you will be the successor of the family. Then she told that we have number of animals here in our cattle shed. So I have very proper goat, 1 year old goat, chosen and killed the animal for flesh and took flesh out of the animal and prepared tasty food. That means because wife knows the interest of her husband. So very tasty food she prepared. After that, called Jacob and told him that you have to carry this prepared food to Isaac's room so that he may be pleased and he may bless you. Then Jacob had a fear. Jacob told that my body having less hair growth, but Esau's body was a different type of body having maximum hair growth. Like that body you might have seen. Some people having more hair growth all part of the body. But most of the people having less hair growth. So like that people are there. So Esau had that body structure having more hair growth. So father can easily identify by keeping his fingers on his body here and there, then it will be clear. Then mother made another plan. Mother told that already we killed a goat. Its skin will be removed. That leather, not properly prepared, the rough leather will be covered on his hand and chest. Then carried the food towards his father. Both their sounds almost similar. So from the sound it was not possible to identify. Only possibility body structure. Father was also intelligent enough, so he did not know these matters. He called him close by and caught on his hand. So but his hairy body. Then touched on his chest, then face. Then he came to know that this Esau. He misunderstood that Jacob is Esau. Then he told him to kneel down there. Then Jacob knelt down and got the blessing and he became the successor. After this, father Isaac died and his cremation all done. After 2 days, Esau returned with that animal flesh which he hunt in the forest, and he was ready to prepare. But when he reached there, he came to know his father is no more. Then the second matter also he came to know, he will not be the successor of the family. Jacob will be the successor and he will manage the house, and Esau will be under him. Esau was very angry. Esau asked his mother and his younger brother that you have deceived me, cheated me. Then younger brother Jacob told that we have not done any cheating. You only promised earlier that you are ready to surrender the right of the elder son. So you surrendered and I made use of it. But he was not ready to accept it. But God was with Jacob. Why? Who should be younger? Who should be elder? Who decided? God decided. Who may born as elder one, who may born as younger one, nobody is able to decide except God. So God made Esau was the elder one, but he himself told that I want to be younger one. I don't want to be elder one. He himself only told. That was the matter of angry in the mind of God. So God decided that Jacob should be the successor of the family. So this incident happened. Anyway, Esau was not ready to accept it. Esau started making quarrel there and a peaceless situation in the family. So naturally, the situation under discussion before the village panchayat, as earlier happened, the same way, village panchayat was called. There was long discussion there. After the long decision, final decision taken by the elders. Decision was in favor of Jacob, who has received the blessing of his father, will remain at home. The other person should go out from the house. That means Esau should go out. That was the final decision. Normally, it was a very difficult situation, but decision should be followed with a lot of great angry and revenge in whose mind? Esau's mind, but he went out. The same way through the mother and son means Hagar and Ismail. Ismail passed through earlier, many decades ago. Which way they passed through? The same way who passed. Esau also passed and reached the same place where Esau is. Now Esau is the king, is the ruler over there. He reached there and told them, my family members deceived me and sent me out of the family. Immediately, Ismail told, the same happened with me. Same great angry, everything is with me also. I also felt the same. So we are traveling in the same boat. Same situation we are in. So we have to do the revenge on the family. So Ismail told, you chose the soldiers from my group of soldiers. How many you need, you choose it. And go to your hereditary family and kill Jacob. Don't allow him to leave. Kill him. Then Esau was very happy. He chose very strong soldiers from there. Number of soldiers altogether means all the villages are with the Jacob. Because it is the decision of the Panchayat. Decision of the Panchayat means all the villages are with the Jacob. So more than the number of the villages, he to the soldiers. But the same message reached in Jacob's house or their hereditary home by a messenger and told that Esau is coming with a number of soldiers to kill you. So you be ready. Rebecca immediately informed him, it is not good to remain here. You don't challenge him. It will be dangerous. So, undesirable incident may taken place. So we should take the next step very intelligently, not by using power. She told that I have a brother. His name is Laban. It is given in your book. My brother Laban is there beyond, means the other side of the river Jordan. River Jordan. 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 River Jordan is a religious river for Jewish and Christians. Jordan River is very important. It is mentioned many times, mentioned in Bible. So, to reach Jordan River, 2-3 days journey, not by any vehicle, walking. Walking distance means 2-3 days walking distance. After that, after crossing the river, again 2-3 days distance to Laban's house, means more than 1 week it will take. So, if you go to Laban's house, Laban will protect you. Who told? Mother Rebecca told. Together with another plan was there. She told him that it is your age to marry a girl. For him, it is not possible to arrange a marriage because now the major matter is safety. To save you from here, that is more important. But it is your time for marry a girl. But both are possible if you go to Laban's house. Because Laban will protect you one. Second, this brother and sister earlier decided. Means who decided? Laban and Rebecca decided that their children will marry each other and means cousin brother and cousin sister. In among Muslims nowadays also such marriages are there. Can you have various culture, various marriages? Anyway, they have already decided. Before both of their marriage, they decided, if I have a boy and you may have a girl and my son will marry your daughter. If it is opposite, vice versa it will be conducted. Anyway, our children marriage will be conducted. Now, Rebecca knew that Laban has daughter, and here Rebecca has 2 sons, and the first son is out. So she is not to be interested about his mother, only interested about Jacob. So Jacob will be safe at Laban's house. At the same time, Laban may arrange his marriage with his daughter. So both the matter will be properly arranged. Then another matter was there, dowry. For marriage, dowry is very important. Here, who is giving dowry? Who is receiving? Who is giving? Here mostly nowadays we know that the boys' family demand dowry and girls' family give the dowry. That is the general custom till now. And within short period of time, you don't think that you are going to get any dowry. You may get ready with a lot of dowry because number of girls are decreasing in Punjab and boys number out of thousands, near about 600 only girls. Then how can you ask dowry? You should be ready with the dowry qualification, every, and good background, good name, everything should be there. Otherwise, in future, it may not work out. Clear? You have to be very careful about. Boys' numbers are number 2 less. Those who are able to marry according to their wish. Otherwise, go to the other state. So whatever it is, that is the present condition. And as the number of girls are less, they are getting good education, good opportunities they may get, and they can demand. Nowadays they demand that if I get 15 lakh or 20 lakh car with 50,000 rupees and double-story building, if it is, they may say the same. If these all things, if it is at the husband's house, then okay. Anyway, whatever it is, this was not the situation there in Central Asia at that time. It is around 4,500 years ago the story incident taken place. Okay, anyway, their boy's family should hand over huge dowry to girl's father. If girl's father is ready to accept it, if a boy come with a certain amount, another boy bring more than that, father's attention will be the second one. First one will be insulted and so back. So that was the situation. So maximum dowry packed by his mother. Whose mother? Jacob's mother. Means packets of gold, packets of silver, precious stones, thousands of animals, many group, and each group consists of servants to take care of the animal. They all together, means like a military group, is all move towards the river Jordan. When they reached by the bank of the river Jordan, he came to know that there was flood, means the beginning of the river, means in a hilly area, totally rainfall, heavy rainfall. Because of that rainfall, for a long period of time, there was flood, and in coming times also, many days, it may be continued. He has not enough time to stay there. Why? Who is coming? Esau is coming. Within 1 or 2 days, he may reach there. That much time is not there near with him to stay there for his sake. He immediately told all the servants, what all they are ready to carry with should be sent back. So he ordered the servants to take this all responsibility yourself and go back to his mother and hand over it to mother. Already I told you Abraham was very rich. Normally, his son Isaac was very rich. Isaac's next successor, Jacob, is also very rich. That was why this all happened. But he was unable to carry this load. Anyway, he found out a boat nearby, and he himself and 2-3 servants, accompanied by 2-3 servants, and crossed the river and reached the other side of the river. Any other story you are discussing there? If any other interesting story is there, that we will discuss first. Then otherwise listen. Don't think that I am making the story according to my wish. All given in your book. Names are there. You don't know from where this name comes. What is the relation there? That All the story no need to write in during exam, no need to write. But particular point if it is asked, and if you know the story, it will be easy for you to say the answer. This is the matter. This person was there, and this situation will happen. That you can easily say. Anyway, after crossing the river, 2 3 days, again they have traveled and reached nearby a well. That time there was no tube well to get the water, only normal well, and used bucket, not plastic bucket, maybe rough, made of leather bucket. They used it to get water from there. When they reached there, nothing was there to get water from the well. Water was there, it was too deep. They were not able to get water. They waited there. Somebody may come to the well, and the people may have a bucket or something to carry water, take water from there. 2 3 ladies with some animals came to the well after some time. Then they had that bucket and piece of rock to get the water from there. By using that, that started pouring water for the animals. These young men also reached there and asked for water. Then these girls were very wise. They told that we are ready to hand over this rope and can, but one thing you have to help. You have to pour water for our animals. Number of animals were there, so we are totally tired. The ladies sat aside and they helped them to pour water for these animals. Within that, a friendly talk where you are coming and what is the purpose, like that matters they asked. In between, Jacob told that there was a undesirable incident in my family, and my mother sent it here to my uncle. My uncle's name is Laban, and I am coming for myself. And my uncle will help me and support me. Then, in addition to that, one more matter they told, and my uncle's daughter is already proposed by my mother and my uncle already made a proposal. So I want to marry that girl. Immediately that girls stood up from them. Marriage related matters, when they listened to, they were ashamed of. Immediately they stood up from there and called the animals with them and went away from them. They didn't understand anything. Oh, Jacob and his followers, two, three servants were there. They didn't understand what happened suddenly. After some time, Laban himself came to the well. And Jacob asked, who told you that we are here? Then he told that my daughter told me. Who are that ladies? One was Laban's daughter, and other servants assistants were also with her. So he understood that the girl who he is going to marry is the same girl. He understood it. And she was a beautiful girl. Immediately he liked the girl. Okay. It is very suitable for me to marry. Like that decision was in his mind. Anyway, he reached home. Whose home? Whose house? Laban's house. Then, first of all, he told about his safety and the relationship with his brother and all the matters he told. Then, immediately Laban told, you don't worry about it. I am ready to protect you. If Esau come here, I will manage him because I have his uncle and I also have the almost equal to his father's position. He can take the action and he can send him back. So you will be properly protected here. So that matter is over. He is very safe there. Then he put forward the second subject matter. What is that? His marriage. My mother told me that your daughter and my marriage already you have discussed and I am ready for it. But Laban told I am not ready for it. Because you have come here empty handed. I am not going to, to arrange my daughter's marriage with a poor man. But Jacob told that I am not a poor man. Because of the flood, because of the river overflow, I was not able to carry these things. It is there. In my village it is there. But Laban told, here and there if it is, that may not be considered. If you give me now, marriage will be conducted now. Then Jacob told her, then leave it. No need to make. Because I don't have, I have only one stick with me, walking stick. That is only my property. With me, only one property, that is the walking stick. Then Laban told, that is enough. This walking stick is enough. Then Jacob was very happy. If walking stick if it is enough, then marriage will be conducted. Then Laban told, it is not like that. You can use this stick to get profit. I have number of sheep and goats, other animals are there. Who has? Laban is having number of animals. You have to take care of these animals for 7 years. If you do work, service under me for 7 years, what will be, lot of profit will be there. Free service. Who is doing free service? Jacob will do free service. 7 years free service may make lot of profit. That profit will be considered as dowry for the marriage. So Jacob thought about it. It is a nice plan because no need to go back, no need to bring any dowry from outside. Within 7 years, it will be settled. Then he started his service under him, and day by day the profit started increasing. Means Jacob was a God-blessed man. Each and every work, hard work, provided lot of profit. Within few years, Laban became very rich. Already he was rich. He was very rich, and he was very happy also. He thought that Jacob should not go back anywhere. If Jacob is here with me, I will become more rich. So he was very greedy, and he wanted Jacob should be with him. 7 years over, marriage conducted. Marriage program was a long process, means around 30 days program. The last 30th day only, the bride and bridegroom come together. Before that, they may not meet each other. Then the 30th day, almost all the guests started going back. Not only started, almost went back. Only bride bridegroom together. Till that time, you know, Muslims mostly cover their face. They may not show their face. Same way, Jewish also, the bride covered the face, not only face, complete body covered. And after the marriage program, both of them met each other. Then Laban had a doubt. The girl he liked is not the same girl. He liked the one girl and he married another girl. Then Jacob was felt angry, retaliation, depression, all the sad, depressed feeling he had. He immediately went to Laban and asked, "What you have done? It is not your daughter. I liked to marry your daughter, that I know. Who is she? But the girl I married is another. Then Laban told nothing wrong there. I promised you that marriage will be conducted with my daughter. I have two daughters. Elder one is married to you. Younger one you have seen. You have seen and you have liked the younger one. But I conducted marriage with the elder one. So in this case, I am not wrong. He told that no, I like the other girl, and you arranged marriage with the elder. Then all the elders, this is a very serious trouble there to settle it. All the elders, all the religious leaders like that, all the people gathered together to settle the matter. All of them told that here Laban is correct, Jacob is wrong. Why? Because in a family, if there are two sisters, elder and younger, whose marriage should be conducted first? Elder one's marriage should be conducted. Same only conducted. Then Jacob told, I like the other girl. Then they asked the question, who told you to like that girl? That's also another question. Who told you to like the girl? Because father has not told. I have two daughters. Which one you like? You can marry like that. He didn't say. It is not the decision of the. It should not be the right decision of the father. Parents should conduct the elder one's marriage first, younger one's marriage second. So everybody told that Laban is right. Then Jacob told that now 7 years already over. My brother might be peaceful now. Or if he is angry, no problem, I am ready to die. I am going back. He is very angry. Who is very angry? Jacob. Jacob is very angry and he is getting ready to go. Then Laban thought that it should not be good. Which one? Jacob should not go back. If Jacob go back, what may happen? Profit will be reduced. Means Laban may not be able to get more profit because Jacob is a God blessed man and his presence is very important. So he gave another suggestion. I am ready to arrange one more marriage. Means the younger daughter. I am ready to give you my second daughter as your wife, second wife. It is legal marriage, it is not illegal one. As earlier happened, it is not like that. Legally, I am ready to arrange because with the parents' acceptance, socially important people with their presence. Now the boy may call the girl and go somewhere is not the man. It is not like that. A girl and boy like each other and without anybody's permission, without anybody's knowledge, they may run away from one place to another. That is considered as illegal elopement. It is not illegal. Legally, second marriage will be conducted. Then Jacob went back. Some steps he was ready to go. Then he came back because he already liked the girl and he is going to marry that girl. For that he is very happy. Then he told them, yes, for that I am ready. Then Laban understood that this is the best way to get more money. He told Devarim, second marriage, give me Devarim. Then he told, I have not gone back. Last 7 years I was doing work under you. I didn't get any income. And how can I give you Devarim? Then he told that future also many years are there. 7 more years you do work. 7 more years you do service under me. Then that 7 years work will be considered as delivery. He is ready to agree. Who is ready to? Jacob is ready to agree. Why? For that, another example I will tell you. Near about 4 years ago, in our school 8th class. It is told that a boy liked a girl. Only 8th class, that also you remember. And one day the girl told him, I hate you. Who told her? The girl told the boy. What he did? Girl's name was Priya. Priya was not the real name. I made the name. Otherwise, you may go and find out. Suppose Priya was the name. He took a piece of lead and he write there on his hand, Priya. And the parents found out it, brought him to school, and some teachers also saw it, completely swelling, red in color, and bleeding was there. If he touched them, immediately blood may come out, like that wound may. Then, now you might have got the answer why he was ready to come back. And second one, 7 more years he is ready to do service under him. Immediately you have irritated feeling. What a man he is it? Then you say, what a man, what a boy he is. They wrote the name by using blade. That means Shakespeare himself told a statement. Love is blind. Lovers are mad. Love is blind. Lovers are mad. Means normally an 8th class boy like a girl, we cannot adjust it. We cannot digest it. What a situation it is. But that boy is that time blind. Blind means not physically blind, mentally blind. He is not thinking about his age. He is not thinking about his future. What foolishness he is doing, he is not at all aware of it. Is it? A normal person who is able to think properly never do such a foolish act. The same happened with Jacob also, because Jacob 7 years before liked the girl and he was getting ready to marry the girl, but in between he lost it. But second chance again offered, so he came back to marry the girl and he is ready to do 7 more years service under him. Anybody carried blade here? I think like that. Ready to write somebody's name there? Otherwise, not much serious discussion what it is going on there. Anyway, there 7 more years, he is ready to do service under him, but Jacob this time told, second 7 years duration, he told that now I am a married husband. I should have income. So a free service I am not ready to do. I should get a percentage of income. That Laban also agreed, because Laban's daughter is his wife. So Laban's daughter should be taken care of. So he should have income. Then he told, in his cattle shed, he has 2 types of animals. Mixed color animals and pure color animals. What is mixed color animals? Green, yellow, red, orange, like that color. Not like that. Means black, white, brown. These are the color of animals. If it is purely black, pure color, pure white, pure brown, but brown, white mark, black mark, like that animals also are there. But in Laban's cattle shed, mixed color animals number was very less, very rarely. So He divided these all animals are together only. So whose animals are given to Shiloh and sorry Laban and the other Jacob's animal would not be identified. So clear identification, identity preferred. Fewer animals will be given to Laban and mixed color animals will be given to Jacob. So Jacob agreed to it. There was no other option. He agreed to it. But he went alone to his room and started praying to God that this time also my uncle is going to deceive me. He has a plan to cheat me. Planning is there. Otherwise, few number of animals are there. With that, I may not be able to continue my life. He prayed to God. God gave him an insight. Insight means a particular information given to him. The information was that, hello, anyway, information was like that only. Jacob should go to the river bank and there he has to keep a particular tree's branches, should cut and keep it as a stump. And in between the stump, these animals should pass through. When they pass through, the shadow of the stick should lay upon the animals. Whoever gets the shadow of the stick will give birth mixed color animals. That was the insight. It was not a magic. It was not a magic. It was the blessing of God. God wanted to know whether Jacob is obedient. If Jacob is obedient, he will go to the riverside and keep the stick as it is. How God instructed. Same way he will do. If he is not ready to do, he will not get to the blessing. That stick having no magical power, the shadow is having no change in the life of animals, nothing was there, only God wanted to know what is the mind in, or what is in Jacob's mind. He is really a faithful person to God. So he did it and he showed that he was a faithful follower of. So after one season, next season means next breeding season starts. That after that, all the female animals gave birth the next breed and the next generation born. Almost all the animals mixed together. Till there we will stop it. Next day we may continue.